everyone, Rachel here from ChefsTemp. Let's talk probe usage and care for your ProTemp Plus. As a reminder, the probe tail ambient sensor is heat resistant up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit or 325 degrees Celsius. So if you're doing some high heat searing or grilling, make sure not to go above the recommended 662 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are some additional tips to extend the life of your probe. Now that you're done cooking, you'll want to carefully remove your probe, which might still be hot. Now, you'll want to grab it from the steel as opposed to the ceramic handle. And you're not going to want to wiggle side to side or up and down. And instead, if the probe is stuck, you can go ahead and give it a gentle twist, or it might even help to push in before pulling it out. Once it's out, go ahead and let it cool down before washing. It's good to clean your probe after each use so it can charge and connect properly. If you ever need to check the battery life of your probe, you can simply go to your device list, tap on the left top icon, and you'll see the battery life. For more information on any of our amazing ChefsTemp products or the ChefsTemp Plus, visit our website and subscribe to our channels. And remember, ChefsTemp always gets you to the perfect temp every time.